Hi guys, welcome to our channel. And today I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat account permanently. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to simply open your Snapchat account, and at the top left corner, all you have to do is to tap that profile icon, and then here at the top right corner, tap the secure icon. So this is your settings, and under settings, you just have to simply look for I need help. So you have to scroll down till you see that option or feature, and that is under support. Tap I need help. And then here, what you want to do is to simply look for delete my account. Now, if you can't see that option here, delete your account, then you can go to that search bar or search icon and then search for delete my account. Okay, so here it is. Tap delete my account. Once you tap this delete my account, and then what you want to do is to simply scroll down to know how are you going to deactivate or delete your Snapchat account. So you can see here steps on how to delete your account. So first, you just have to log into Snapchat accounts portal, tap delete my account, input your password, and tap continue to confirm. So you just have to simply click this Snapchat accounts portal, and it will take you directly to another page. And then what you want to do here is to just simply add your username or your email address, or you can also use your phone number if you have forgotten your username or your email. Next, and then here, what you want to do is to just simply start the puzzle here to make sure that you're 100% human and you are not a robot. After that, what you want to do is to click submit. And then here, you can now look for delete your account. So all you have to do is tap next and then delete your account. So as you can see, delete my account, tap this one. And then after that, you just have to scroll down here. Okay, so to confirm, all you have to do is to simply type your username and then your password. And then once you're sure that you want to delete your account, you just have to simply click this continue button. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.